Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to add golden hour effect to your photo. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's make a copy of this original picture. So first you need to unlock this background layer by double clicking it and then click on the layer, press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy of your original layer. Click on this layer and now you need to first convert it into a smart object. So right click, go to convert to smart object. You see it's been converted already. Go to filters to add some camera raw filters. Filter, camera raw filter. Sliders all the way. As you can see over here we are done with the basic filters. Now we move on to the tone curves. Let's play with the sliders. Here we are done with the tone curves. Let's reduce the noise a little bit, although it's not much of noise in this picture specifically. Still, let's see how it goes. It's pretty nice over here. Let's compare the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. Looks nice. The saturation is much. Let's do plus 30. Let's play with the split toning. Golden light. We'll add a golden touch on the highlights and a bit of bluish color in the shadows. Okay, before, after. That's all. Bit of dehaze plus 3. And we are done with the camera raw filters. Click OK. So this is the before, this is the after. Now here comes the main part. Now we're gonna add some color lookup tables to this photo and just see for yourself how beautiful color lookup tables makes a picture. This is the color lookup table. Go over here, click this drop down, and these are already built-in filters in your application. You don't need to buy them. These are already present there. So we will go to Edge Amber to add some golden light to the picture. You see it is just too much of golden over here, so we'll decrease the opacity a little bit. Or maybe we won't right now. At first we need the golden light just on the highlights part of the picture, so we will double click on this layer. You see this is the blend F mode. We just need to play with these sliders, that's all. So we need to remove the golden color from the shadows part of the picture. So we will drag the slider from the shadows part. Make sure it is not removed from the highlights part of the picture. See the shadows part of the picture is been removed, but it is very sharp. You need to remove the sharpness, so click Alt option and click on the slider. You see the slider has been broken into two halves, and now you can play with the sliders to make it smooth or decrease its opacity. Well, this looks okay. We'll click OK over here. And it's too much of golden light. It doesn't look so good. So we'll decrease the opacity of the golden light a little bit. Go to the opacity, decrease it. That looks okay, kind of. Now we'll add more lookup tables to make it more impactful. Click on this icon, go to color lookup, click the drop down, and select any of them. I'll go with crisp brown. We'll decrease the opacity. Now we'll add more color lookup tables. It looks nice. You can add as many color lookup tables as you want, but let's see how far we can go with this picture. So we'll click this icon, click on color lookup, click on this drop down. I'll go with late sunset. I'll decrease the opacity a little bit more. That looks okay to me. Again, we'll add one more color lookup table. Now we'll go with an abstract. Gold crimson. We'll again decrease the opacity. That looks beautiful. Now to compare the before and after, you need to make a group first. So to create a group, click on the first layer and click on the last layer which you want to group. So we want to group this copy layer. So shift click to select all the layers in between and click Ctrl or Command G to create a group. You see your group has been created. This is the original layer, this is the group layer. So hide your group layer to see the original one. This is the before and this is the after. You see how beautiful it looks? Now we can add gradients as well to make your picture a bit more beautiful, as I may say. First, click on this icon, click on gradient tool, make sure this is black to transparent and your foreground color is black and background color is white. Okay, so click and drag from the below. You can reduce the opacity a little bit. That looks nice. I'll add one more gradient from the above as well. Drag from the top. Decrease the opacity. That looks nice to me. You know what? I'll add just one more color lookup table. So let's go to click this icon, color lookup. Click this drop down. I feel I'll add this one. That looks nice. Decrease the opacity a little bit. That looks okay to me. Just check this is the before, after. Now, let's see how beautiful it's become after all. All together, you can again group the layers, the same process. Click the topmost layer, click the bottommost layer. Actually, shift click the bottommost layer to select all the layers. Click Ctrl or Command G. This is the before, this is the after. You see, this is the final result. How beautiful it has turned into golden or sunset. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Have a good day.